When you choose PT for a project, one of the inevitable conversations is, how much is it going to cost? And implicit in that question is, how do you price this stuff? For some aspects of what we do, we have been able to come up with pretty standard pricing. We have a range of prices for videos. We know what a typical infographic based on our own material costs. We know what a typical report from us costs. But for the meat of the testing project, what we try to estimate is how much time we're going to be putting into it, how much that time costs us, so that at the end of the day as a company, we make enough to make a modest profit as a company and continue to operate. The estimates we typically base on our history doing similar work. It takes this many weeks to do this many weeks to do that. The last time we did a project factors into it. After every project, we do a post-project meeting where we talk about what lessons we should learn from it, what we could have done better, and we also talk about the financials of it. How did we as a company come out? The cost to execute it versus what we were paid. And we use that to guide the price the next time. When you look at the broad range of project types that PT can do that we've talked about in these videos, there's obviously a huge variety of types of people involved, types of expertise, types of necessary equipment. Some work requires much more expertise, much more expensive people than other work. We try to take all of that cost into account as we're pricing a project, whether that's entirely an agency project or a hands-on testing project or a hybrid. We look at the different costs involved and we try to give the fairest, best price we can to each client.